From many mountaineering experiences, I have learned two things. One, if you want to reach to the top of mountain, you should have one well experienced guide with you. And number two, never take any shortcuts. Always follow route step by step. Shortcuts are very risky. So let's take our first step towards Excel. Let's understand its terminologies.
Excel. Excel is spreadsheet software meant for creating and maintaining numerous types of tabular data with embedded calculations. I will be showing here Excel of Office 365. Title bar. Most of the Windows applications have a title bar. It displays name of application and name of file which is currently open. Menu or tabs. Under each menu, there is a ribbon. Under ribbon, commands are grouped in different groups. You can see name of group at the bottom of each group. At the top left corner, there is customize ribbon where user can set commands as per requirement. Formula bar where contents of cell are displayed and also edited. Address bar displays address of active cells. Status bar at the bottom of displays various information like count of cells selected, number of records filtered, etc. Horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Horizontal arrangement of data is called row. Vertical arrangement of data is called column. Column headers are alphabetic. Row headers are numeric. Cross-section of a row and a column is called cell. Cell contains actual data or formula. Current cell selected has address F16. F is header of column under which cell is falling and 16 is header of row. Selection or collection of cells is called range. Here we have selected range of cells starting with J19 and ending with O28. All rows and columns are contained in a sheet. Each sheet has a name. Collection of one or more sheets is called workbook. Things to remember. Office 2007 onwards, Excel files are saved with extension .xlsx. All older version of Excel files are saved with extension .xls. Files with embedded macros have extension .xlsm.
In next video, we'll have a look at basics of functions, formulas and operators in Excel. Till then, bye.